Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to finance a YouTube channel. First, focus on meeting YouTube's partner program criteria, which typically includes 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once eligible, activate ad revenue and explore other built-in features like Super Chat or channel memberships. Remember, consistent content creation is key to attracting and retaining your audience, which directly impacts your earning potential. Beyond YouTube ads, consider affiliate marketing by promoting products you genuinely use and love. When viewers purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Brand sponsorships are another powerful income source. Companies pay you to integrate their products or services into your content. Always disclose sponsored content transparently to maintain viewer trust. To truly secure your channel's finances, diversify your income streams. Creating and selling your own merchandise, like custom apparel or accessories, builds a stronger brand connection with your audience. Digital products such as editing presets, ebooks, or online courses offer high profit margins. Additionally, platforms like Patreon allow dedicated viewers to support your work directly with monthly contributions. Smartly reinvesting a portion of your earnings is crucial for long-term growth. Consider upgrading your camera, microphone, or lighting to improve production quality. Investing in professional editing software or even hiring an editor can significantly enhance your content. Remember, better quality often leads to more views and subscribers. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your creative space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.